If your holiday baking season starts with the phrase, "Where are my cookie cutters?" this week's video is for you. Hey everybody, it's Whitney with Girl Friday Crafts. Welcome back to my Organizing Tip of the Week Holiday Edition. Today we're going to talk a little bit about baking. Some of you might already be full into your baking season. Some of you might be just getting started. Some of you might be looking at me going, baking? Who bakes? What is this baking that you speak of? I'm not a baker. I do bake some this time of year. I think a lot of people who don't do a lot of cookie making or candy making normally might be doing that this time of year. And so my tip this week is just a little way to help keep all of the little things that can kind of go astray organized. For those of you who are really hardcore bakers and have been doing this for a long time or do it all year, you can attest, I think, to a tip like this. So I'd love to hear your thoughts in comments. A baking bin, and it can be whatever size storage container works for you, lidded or not, does not matter, is a lifesaver when it comes to assembling all of the things that you need. So cookie cutters, your recipes, your sprinkles, your vanilla, your spices that get shoved to the back of the spice cabinet because you only use them this time of year. You could go so far as getting an extra set of measuring spoons and measuring cups that are dedicated for your baking and keep those in there. Whether it's something you leave out or put away, depends on how much space you have, depends on the vibe in your kitchen, but something that is easily accessible so that it's when it is time to do your baking, you can grab it, sit it where you need it, and know that with the exception of your sugar, flour, eggs, everything that you need is right there. If you bake a lot, this may be a permanent thing for you. This may be a solution that you're like, ooh, I like this. We're just going to find a space to keep this bin all year round. That way I always know it's there. I can make sure it's stocked. If this is temporary, then you can put everything back into its relative space. Keep your bin, put it somewhere, put it with your Christmas decorations, put it in the back of the closet, in the kitchen, or in the laundry room, and kind of mark it for next year. But then when you start next year, you can pull it out and start to assemble all of those things. It'll also be really great for next year when you start to assemble all those things, because that is a way to inventory as well. So you're pulling things out, you're pulling the vanilla out, and you're like, oh, I need more vanilla because I don't have enough left to get me through the season, or your cinnamon, your nutmeg, whatever. So this bin can be as big or as small as you like. It can hold as much as you think makes the most sense for you in terms of staying organized, or just those little things that are hard to store in other places, kind of like your cookie cutters, right? Like those are difficult to store. So that's it. That's the tip for this week. Let me know what you all think. If you all have great organizing suggestions for baking supplies, drop them in the comments. I'm sure other people would love to see them. Thanks for watching, and I will be back next week. Talk to y'all later.